Hello there. Now let me teach you how to back up your phone, your data, using your iCloud on your iPhone and your PC, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is please focus on my phone first. Open your settings, and from here I want you to check on your Generals tab, check on software update. This is the very first step on every troubleshooting tutorials that I mentioned, because it is very important to update your software to the latest version to get those latest features of your iOS. Now moving on, from here, click on your account, click on iCloud, click on iCloud Backup. You have two options here, guys. You either backup now or enable this toggle button right here, which is I strongly recommend that you enable it, okay? Perfect. Now once you enable it, that means that every day your iCloud is being backed up as long as you have Wi-Fi or a strong connection to the internet or even a power source. Now that's done, your iCloud is already backed up properly on your iOS, on your iCloud account. Now let's see. I'm gonna stop this recording right now. I'm gonna proceed to my PC. So from here, let me just stop this. Perfect. Now from here, let's go to my PC. I want you to open this application. It's called iCare Phone. To download it, just opening any browser you want. Let me just open a new one here to show you how do I download this. Just search up iCare Phone from here, and then click on this one. Just download on Windows or Mac, whatever helps you out, and then open it. Make sure you're connected to your iPhone via USB cable. And then as you can see here, my phone is already connected. And then go to the home screen. This is supposed to be the landing page of this application right here. And then just click on this backup and restore. Choose any item or any data that you want to backup. Choose the file path right here. It's gonna be this one. Where do you want to save those backed up data? And just click on backup. It will load a few minutes there, and then it will transfer everything to your PC. Okay? With that being said, that's how you back up everything of your iCloud using our iCloud and using your PC. I hope you enjoyed the video, so please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.